I kicked further out. That part of the lake was colder, darker. Water changed. And then I found the plane. No ID numbers, no logbook. Just the tail rising out of the floor like it never quite landed. I couldn't see inside, not well, but the belt in the pilot's seat was still clipped, like he was waiting for the tower to clear him. A friend of mine, another diver, told me he swam through the same wreck last year. Said he saw something written on the interior panel near the yoke. Not etched, burned. 3 words. Get back up. Said he surfaced and never came back.